Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. My name is Augusta Good. Thank you guys for stopping by to watch my video. If this is the first time I'm stopping by to watch my video, thank you for clicking on this video. I promise you will never regret it. What can I regret it? Oh yeah, Rara. If you've been coming to watch my videos before, whoa, you know we are in this together. If not for you, where are you for a day? If not for you. My video, I really appreciate you. So guys, if you've been my subscriber and you've been watching my video, you know that we're doing a series. I said a serious series, not the serious series. Concerning Tonto Dike and Kpokpogri. This matter that they drag since for internet since September. Now the thing started, which is the thing will stop for in September. No, it not be stop for September. He enter October. It is guys follow October enter. What they call October. September self carry October cloth. We are and I enter with October. Now I say himself join for the October market. So guys, I said I can give you an update for the Kpokpogri and Tonto Dike matter. If you know, you know. As the matter they go, I just dropped one video when I had too long. So if you never watch and go watch it, where I talk about how the matter happened. Because as we wake up this morning, as we rush, Abby, make her calm down. As we wake up this morning, now we see they say Tonto Dike don't arrest Kpokpogri. The matter called they hot, the matter called they go everywhere. But what we not know be say, not be Tonto Dike na arrest Kpokpogri. Tonto Dike and Kpokpogri get matter where they need to settle. Police call police station, may they call settle the matter. As police call talk to them from morning till night, 8 p.m. The way Kpokpogri take Kpokpogri Mena from morning till night. As they finish for night around 8 p.m. Now they can say, oh yeah, Tonto Dike, oh yeah, Yakbobuwe, call they go ask. But Kpokpogri, you have to stay with us until Wednesday. Let's see if you will continue eating this uncooked beans or not. How the matter take go? Tonto Dike no go there. Go carry herself, say she want to arrest Kpokpogri. No be so. If you want to hear the full matter, go watch that video. I get full playlist of Tonto Dike for my channel. If you want to see them, go there, may you go watch her. The story long. So guys, today I want to give you an update, or now, not be today, because today many videos go flow. Now, as soon as I can tell you now, what happen. You know, say that video when I just post, as Stella, that blogger Stella, post the write-up for in blog. People call the comments, You know, say all these people what they talk about, so they watch our video and they see our comments. Yeah, you know. So as I call the comments now, Tonto Dike and some commenters come they fight for the comment section. Okay, boom, boom. They come they throw blow, boom, boom, boom. You know, from there, Mr. I come they see light for the matter. How the matter they go say Tonto Dike don't ready. Hey, Jesus, wanna listen to waiting. So this first person right say, I need to remove my glasses so that I go I don't understand my glass, Abby. So this person say. After this person don't read what Stella put for the video, for the blog finish. She can say, see how people open their mouth. Wow. Okay, she said, see how people open their mouth talking shit. People actually hate women. This lady showed off this guy and was thanking God she found someone that loves her and her son. Few weeks later, an audio of the guy was leaked. And she said all sorts of things against Tonto. She broke with him before we knew it. He started forming clique with Bob. Bob began his brouhaha. Bobo leaked audio of Tonto crying and begging him that he shouldn't leave her, and was also applauding her ex for leaving her. You all forgot Tonto didn't drag this guy, yo. Before he was leaking audios. Now that Tonto is paying him with his own coin, you are all calling Tonto a bad person. You must swear. So as she puts that one, now somebody can say, but make she return the card now. So people can they respond under that same comment. People can see the response say he don't return her own in-laws. Another person can say return what? He should return her own in-laws now. Then as they talk, they go. Can't reach one place. Now Tonto can answer the person say. We talk say make Tonto return Kpokpogri car. Tonto can answer the person. Can say at the person name. Let God not punish you for this nonsense. Has he returned my brand new healers I bought for him? My diamonds. Before I go that part, I'll show now the healers when Tonto buy for her. Though Bobo Gri said the Hilons na refurbished, but make a first show na the motor, and I will talk about myself. Whether na refurbished, I be no be refurbished. Oh, yeah, see the motor.
Come out for there, make the guy come out.
Okay, now when you don't see the motor, for your mind, now you go cut talk whether na refurbished, I be no be refurbished. Oh yeah, nah, eh? So as he returned my diamond, I got from at diamond from at I'm not going to advertise. You know, from the name, can't tag the name of the person who said the diamond for her. Shouldn't he answer to blackmailing me with my S tape, illegally recording or the release of a vulnerable moment allegedly recorded and released? In my opinion, he deserves no mercy. Let the law prevail. If I were the law, he would rot in jail, but I am not. So people call, you know, now this kind of comment, people go comment where, you know, people comment where that's my own, even too much. For Christ's sake, who even gave him escort, as how, and as who? Who was he before he came into his life? Nigeria don't become balanced at all. Oh. Him don't become Yeye Brity overnight. They cause trouble up and down, all for publicity. But the guy in particular get wahala sha. Where the hell did he meet this guy self? Because the guy no follow at all. Then, if he wants his car back, he must do same. Return everything she also gave him. She shouldn't return anything. That guy deserves no mercy. Very anyhow guy. Somebody say, wait, oh, he also have your S tape. Jesus, what kind of man is Popo Bikono? Does this man not have a mother or sisters? Who gave birth to this? Like, who gave birth to this non-entity? He has no idea what's going to finish him. As stupid as the sound of his name. Oh my God. Please forgive Jemena. Another person is begging for Jemena. Now I understand, but you don't have to be harsh now or there. People they crazy for this ambassador internet. Oh, another person, Totona came back and said, "I'll pay back all the money he owes me. He needs to answer for putting a G on my head. That is attempted murder." So, Pokpogiri, you said they carry G they work out for the Niger. Hey, UARO citizens, is that what you are doing now? You not carry G to be threatening people everywhere they go. UARO lazy Nigeria, no, lazy UARO youth. Lazy UARO youth. Hey! Augusta. Threatening my life and the possession of over 30 allegedly recorded tape. Hey. A 2017 Republic, who should be Republic again? A 2017 phonetics. Let them not cut my tongue away. I think it be like so. I'm trying again whether of people. 2017 republished. I get them. Lexus isn't the or my issue. I drive a Bentley. I have a Maybach on this way, coming from the Obodo Ibo, America. I have a G-Wagon. Oh, yeah. I have a Lexus car and a Mercedes Benz. Hey, Jesus. Again, man. One person get all those who are wheel. With a truck, with a jump bus. God, when? God, when? Who wants to join the group of God, when? Well, from WhatsApp group, God when? God when? Maybe we would not shout God when, God when, God when. God will cut that shot one small one. Because now, one person gets Bentley. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I was telling somebody this morning, you know, speaking with a friend this morning, before I started this video, I was speaking with a friend this morning. I said, me no look until like woman when we say we go buy new motor, you can't show her. Now the destiny, I think I did that grade. Tonto don't pass that grade. She was there before, but she don't pass that grade. We don't even know the kind of motor Tonto they drive. We don't know how many motorways she get. But for her to feed the buy motor give people, that suggests that she said get bigger and better cars, you understand? So now then Destiny will for that grade. Tonto DK, we don't know the kind of motor. People like the Tonto, Rita Dominic, Genevieve, we don't know the kind of motor that they drive. They don't need to come show us the kind of motor that they drive. We don't need to even see them because we don't say they get. Now, at the time I say now, person will not get. People like the Bobrisky. Now they come as I can say, hey, we have the money, big boy girlfriend. Now they do all those things. If you get fleets of cars, you know, because they show us, it doesn't, you know, you go even check the person full app on, you don't go see any motor. If you get some, you don't go see them. You know the motorway, when they call this DJ Kupi Papa, you know the motorway they drive. There are babes, DJ said, your papa and a big man. Man talk of smaller people. When we say, you know, say they're holy. Take for example, Linda Ikeji, the time when she just had to buy designer's bag, or the Dovo, because she was, or the Diva, because she was, or the Dera, because she was. Now she is overwhelmed with designer's bag. She not even, you don't be anything again. You don't understand human needs, human wants, not human need. You don't understand human wants. Human wants, if you don't get the thing finished, you know go freak you again. You'll be craving for another. That one when you don't get so urgent, not be anything again. Now when you never get another, you will kill yourself. iPhone 13, iPhone Pro Max, iPhone 6, iPhone 20. You will not even the budget for the one they ever produce. But when they when you don't buy and finish. My friend go say, when you don't buy and finish, you know they will bother again. When you don't buy and finish, you not go even bother again. Because now you don't buy and finish. So mama can see you. When you don't do woman, you will go the hot. You will say the fire, you will the bomb. But when you don't do it once, do it 2 times. Even if the woman sit down naked self, you know they freak you again. Because we don't go come. You don't understand? That's so the thing be. So me not look total like person where be say, you go come social media, come they advertise motto, where she get say, in buy this one, in buy, now people like the Bobrisky, then they do, and then that category. So let's move on. Where did all this hate and bitterness come from? To think that this was same man, you were flaunting his pictures on your IG wall, and called the new savior and father of your son. This just beats me. Like I said in the beginning of that my video I just posted, the last video before this one. When you start a relationship and you profess love, I love you. I will never leave you. You are the apple of my eye. You are the this. Without you, I will die. Without you, I will sing. Now lie you. Or you ta. Now lie, don't be fooled. When you did the beginning of that stage, when the thing is sweet you, it is sweet. That is the stage where you get to be careful. Oh. You be careful because that is the beginning. Your adrenaline, they do like this, they swim, they do like this. When Peregede becomes a mistake, hatred now sweeps in. There's a thin line between love and hate. When you date person, even if the person Beauty and the Beast, okay, even if the person a beast, I say the person no fine, you do like I am a tanga, anything. My dear, you know they see on that time. That time might be your heaven on earth. That time, you can take bullets for that person. You can do anything for that person. But when problem don't begin come, kasala don't burst, want it don't happen, you can't be like, no, that person who not to do Django Lover, not be you they talk to again. You go to look at the person, but are they crazy? How to even follow this person? Only you can imagine, say, but now wow. How to even follow this kind of person? Are they crazy? My head correct. Only you can ask yourself. That's what the matter be. That's what the matter be. So when you date person, if you now want this most important one, I go talk to round up this video. If you now want okay, keep your phone away. When you now keep your phone. In fact, hide. In fact, if you get the container where you take by the phone, put the phone inside the container bag. Keep them. Don't let them come closer because anything can happen. Not the only one I want to do the kill. Snap here, show me. Snap there, show me. And the tell people say, if you must snap, not show your face. It make it be anonymous. I mean anonymous. Make it be like that. If they don't see your face, they not go fit marry your face to the body. Not show your face because I'm not going to tell you now say snap. I will make you not snap because you be adult. So if you want to snap, if you want to show it, be calm. Not show your face. Show only the parts Now, private parts they be call them, but we don't want to public parts. Show only the public parts. Not show your face, join the public parts. Show only the public parts and publish the public parts because it is a public parts. Guys, remember, I said I'm going to keep you guys posted. I'll keep up with my promise. So for my promise to get to you in one fine, beautiful pack, you need to subscribe and click on the red bell underneath. Click on that red bell. You go make bangam. If you make bangam, YouTube go hear am. So anytime when I post video, YouTube go tell you say video don't share. Thank you. Wait, watch. Have a lovely day.